Most respected principal sir, respected teacher, and my dear friends. Today I am going to talk about fitness and wellness through sports. August 29 is celebrated as the National Sport Day in India. It is the birthday of legend Major Dhyan Chand, one of the best sportsmen ever to have graced the game of hockey. Hockey always has special place among Indians. Our generation sometimes look back with a sense of disbelief about the golden era of Indian hockey when India won 3 Olympic gold medals in the field of hockey in the year of 1928, 1932 and 1936. That era was led by none other than Major Dhyan Chand, who scored 33 goals in 12 matches. So, 29 August happened to be birth anniversary of Major Dhyan Chand, who made India proud by his extraordinary sporting skills. He was the greatest hockey player India has ever seen. Now, I am here to present a speech on health and fitness. The very known two terms to us are the words health and fitness. Many times we tell or use this word whenever we say phrases like health is wealth and fitness is the key. What does the word health really mean? I imply the idea of being well. A healthy and fit person is a one when he or she can function well physically as well as mentally. Proper health and fitness do not depend on our own but also on your physical environment and the quality of food you take. Health and fitness is the most important aspect of our life. There is nothing more important than health for any human being. When we are healthy and fit, we are able to enjoy our life well. We can talk our near and dear one, we can laugh, we can smile, travel, enjoy food, and sleep well. But when our health and fitness is not up to the mark, we are unable to do anything properly and stay behind. As we know that health and fitness play an important role in our overall well-being. So, we should try for a good balance between mind, body and soul. I have some suggested activities to maintain proper health and fitness. One can start playing games and sports. An active body can metabolize well and so keep us in a good shape. Yoga got a lot of health and fitness benefit such as flexibility, burn calories, increase blood flow, boost immunity. Exercising improve the general health of body. One must take at least 30 minutes a day to do some exercise or walk. Playing sport is generally a fantastic way to improve your fitness and health. For most people, talking taking part in a sport will improve your general health and well-being. There are plenty of reasons why you should become involved in sport with reduced body fat, improve your stamina. The following are just some of the many health and fitness benefit of sports. First one, by playing sports, help reduce body fat or control your body weight. Second one, sports allow you will gain the satisfaction of developing your fitness and skills. Third one, sports can help you fight depression and anxiety. Fourth one, Sports allow you to challenge yourself and set goals. Playing sports helps strengthen bones. Sports helps add coordination, balance, and flexibility. Through sports, you will meet people with a similar interest to yourself and are likely to gain many new friends. If you are sporty, then you are more likely to have healthy lifestyle. So these are some benefits you can achieve by playing sports. So thank you so much.